Assalamualaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish and their activities is so beautiful. I hope you enjoy these videos. They are looking good, playing well, mashallah, mashallah. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. Wow, wow, mashallah, mashallah. They are playing well. Want to watch you. I want to watch you. A beautiful fish. The body fitness is so healthy, and their color is golden, and some time his bodies here in this bodies uh, black spot. This is attractive. This fish. This that why this fish is very nice, looking good, marvelous. Oh, it's go from my hand. Yet, this is little one playing well. Oh, it is one. It's one pink color playing well. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, excellent. Playing well, playing well. Oh, I hope you enjoy these videos. They're playing well. Current is coming in this way. This is the coming in this area. If little water is coming, there is water is so little, that why I create a drain coming the little water in this pond. I am success. I hope their life will be safe at this moment. You look what's happened. Look what happened. This is the stone. This is the stone. How much water increase? You look. I also look. I want to watch you. Their water level. This is, I think it is increase, and stone are going on under the water. Oh, one fish are coming and looking here and there. This is beautiful, and this is exciting moment. Oh, lovely, lovely. They're playing well. They're playing well. Beautiful, beautiful, exciting. I love this place and this video. The fish, they're playing well. They're playing well. Oh, two fish are in my hand. They want to go from here. Little one go from here easily. Another one is body fitness is so beautiful. That why is going from my hand, but so late. This is the beautiful. This is the beautiful children. This is one I want to catch. This is one I want to catch and was you. Oh, yes, yes. This is green color. This is green color. Uh, Again, I want to watch you. Oh, playing well. Oh, this is gives big is a little jam. I want to go from my hand. Oh, this is another one. Another one. Oh, again, uh, it's come my hand. Oh, they are coming, and my hand. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow. They want to come. I want to give them. I want to give them. Oh, they are taking. They are taking. Oh, tactics is so beautiful. Tactics is so thoughtful for my life. They taking feed from on the water level, so little water. This is that voice they are taking feet one side from one side by one side. This is interesting. This is interesting. Whoa, this place is so beautiful, so beautiful. Playing well, mashallah. I hope you enjoy this video. Looking good, mashallah, mashallah. Playing well. They are hitting stone. Oh, they're coming to camera and taking how they take feed. Look, this is very nice scenery, They are together waiting for their feed. Oh, when it will come, feed, take feed. Oh, beautiful, wow, mashallah, playing well, beautiful, very exciting. Scenery is so beautiful, they are taking wow feed from their collect. They are so much hungry. I think they are take feed from water. This is little for them, but I try to their demand. Try to fulfill their demand. This is my success. Or oh, it is push the leaf. This is very strong, little, but this is little but very strong. This is beautiful, so beautiful, attractive. Wow, mashallah, looking good. Yes, I love this fish. I think you also love this fish and their activities. Looking good, mashallah. I hope you enjoy this video. No more today. See you next video another day. Allah Hafiz. Tata, bye bye, take care.